Hello, it's me again, Mr. Burkhart. Here today to create this video on email. It's an activity we're going to do in Zoom today and tomorrow. So first of all, I'd like to remind you that email is not optional. It's checking of the email is not an optional activity or a casual activity or an occasional activity. Checking the email is a daily activity, and it's going to school. Like before, we would get off the bus or out of our car and walk in the building and go into a classroom, and that was going to school. Now going to school is getting on the computer and checking your email every day, logging into Canvas every day, and going to Zoom meetings or Google Meet meetings. And Monday through Thursday and Friday, going to school is doing your reflection sheet for the office. Okay. So please do that. I'd like to give you some help on managing your email. I'm aware that managing email is difficult. And so I would just like to show you a couple of tricks that will help you manage your email. The first thing that you should do is set up a folder. So you see over here on the left, I have all these folders. A lot of these are like default folders that come with the Google Mail. I've created a folder called STEM Physics so that I can put my STEM Physics email in my STEM Physics folder. And the way you do that is you hit the wheel and you click see all settings. And then you're going to come up to the top and you're going to click filters and blocked addresses. And you're going to create a filter that says from, and so you're just going to go create a new filter. I'm going to go from Burkhart, so you just start putting my name in and he pops up. And just my name, and then you're going to say create filter. And then that filter is, you're going to click start it. And, oh, I'm sorry, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go back. We're not creating a filter, we're creating a folder. My bad. All right, sorry. Just not. Now my face is in the way. All right, so let's go see all settings. We're going to create a label. Sorry, create a label. We're going to do that other part next, but we need to do this part first. So you go down to the bottom and you create a new label. And you call it STEM Physics, or you can call it Burkhart, or whatever you want to call it. And just put the name in there, STEM Physics, or AP Physics, or whatever class you're in, or English, whatever you want to make a label for. And I've already done one, so I'm not going to do another one. So now I've got my label here. This is like a little folder for me to keep emails in. It's like if I had a file cabinet and I could put a bunch of letters in it. If I got letters in the mail, would be my STEM Physics letters. All right, so filters. Now we go back to filters and we create a new filter. And you put my name in, and it's G. Burkhart. No, not that guy. Who's that? And we search. And so now every time, oh brother, these must be sent. So now every time G. Burkhart sends me an email, it shows up in my inbox, and it's got a star on it and a caret on it, because I guess I forgot to show you that part. Oh my gosh, maybe it's going to be a second video. Filters, create a new filter. There, I was supposed to click create a filter. When I create the filter, I click star it and always mark it as important. And that way, when Burkhart sends me an email, it floats to the top. And then when I'm in my inbox, I can move that, click move to STEM Physics. And unfortunately, it's on the bottom somewhere. Now my face is in the way again. There it is, STEM Physics. I put it in STEM Physics. And there it is. Now all my emails from Burkhart are in STEM Physics. And that is pretty rough, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep it the way it is. I'm not really sure that doing a second video would really be any better.